This is a piano tutorial on the Christmas song, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen. And I'm going to show it to you here first as a soloist. So we'll be playing the melody in your right hand. And the fingering is a little bit tricky on this one. It's in the key of G. You have an F sharp. So you're going to watch out for that all the way through. And so let me just walk this through with you. Your first note is an E. You'll play that with your thumb. And when you get down to gentlemen on that note, E, you got to go over with your second finger and back under with your thumb on nothing. Watch out for that F sharp there too. Then that repeats. 1, 2, 1, F sharp. And then at that point, you're going to lift your wrist up, put your second finger on B. That gets you up to that E note. You get down to that B note with your second finger, your thumb's on A, and your third finger goes over on G there. Watch out for that F sharp right there. And there's an A note with your fourth finger. Now you're going to have to lift your wrist up, put your second finger on G. And at that point, you've got to put your thumb on this G. Go over to F sharp with your third finger, second finger on E. Then that gets you through the rest of the phrase. Up to that A note with your fifth finger. Then you put your thumb on G again. 3 on that B, your thumb under on the C. Your thumb goes down to the B note, and you got to put your fourth finger on that A, and that F sharp right there. So a little bit tricky on the fingering there, but that's going to get you through it. Mainly you got to watch out for planning ahead for how high or how low you've got to go. The chords in your left hand are pretty simple. We start with an E note, E minor chord. It's an E, G, B like that, root position. A C chord, that's going to be root position also, C, E, G. And there's B7, so it's got 4 notes, B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. Then that phrase repeats, E minor, C, B7, and then you've got an A minor, and I'm going to suggest doing it like that, E, A, C, G like that, D, G, B, B7 there, same one we did before, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. E minor, root position, E, G, B. There's a D7 chord, D, F sharp, A, and C. G chord again, D, G, B. There's your B7. Same one as before, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. Oh, excuse me. E minor there, root position. There's your D7 again, D, F sharp, A, C. G, D, G, B. B7, B, D sharp, F sharp, A. So always work on the hands alone before you try putting it together. Work on your melody separately, work on the chord motions separately, and then when you put it all together, this is what it sounds like.